everyone, of me is HUAWEI NOVA 10, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. You need to start by opening Devices Settings. After that, scroll down and click on Biometrics and Password. Now you need to click on Face Recognition over here and enter your current login method. Finally, click on Enable Rise to Wake if you wish to enable it, and tap on Get Started. Now you need to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. After that, you can enable or disable all of those options by clicking on the switchers next to them, or tapping on them and selecting one of those. If you wish to, you can always click on Set up an alternative lock over here and set up face unlock one more time to try the other look, for example with your glasses. Then, when you're ready, click on Home button, and now when I turn off my screen and now turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. If you wish to delete your face data, you need to access the same settings, click on face recognition, enter your current login method and tap on Delete facial data. Now confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!